Hey everybody, here we go. Doing some work over here at the farm. Getting everything mowed. You know, it's amazing from the air here, you can still see those lines where I put the irrigation in pretty good. I just did some cutting around the trees. Now I have some help. And he's doing some other cutting here with the mower. And let's see if we can get in front of him here, see if we can see. Ooh. Yeah. Yep, he just turned around. I was trying to go chase him. All right, let's see if we can go catch up to him. Maybe I should go a little higher. Look at that. Now we got some help. It's nice to have help. Really, really is. Oh, he's just doing half of it. Okay. Okay. Let's get back around and go find him. These gnats are bugging me pretty bad right now. There's a few trees that have fallen down. I guess they're officially dead. So let's try to get ahead of him, see what we can do here. I'm still trying to get more proficient with this thing. I can hear him in the background hitting some stumps, but that's okay. I think I've already dulled that blade enough. Whoa! Let's turn around here. He just turned around again. I don't think he wants to be seen on the drone. I don't think he's wanted by the law. We'll just follow him. He has to turn around at some point. Anyway, this little mower here is doing a pretty good job. There he is. Hopefully he doesn't run the drone over. Let's go up a little higher. Uh-oh. I'm hitting the wrong buttons. I'm trying to go backwards. It's not working. I'm not quite sure what he's doing, folks, but I'll trust him. Because you know what? I'm not doing it. So it's very helpful. It's allowing me to, one, get some footage, and two, it's allowing me to get inside the shop and do some sheetrock. Get out away from these gnats that are just bugging me ridiculously. So anyway, I trust he'll do a good job. There he goes, he just passed halfway. So I did some cutting on this thing earlier. Besides cutting around the trees, I went and did cutting, couple rows of the cutting. And I kind of got crooked. So that's probably what he's doing, is fixing the crookedness that I did. So, but, yep, let's go take a buzz at the garden. I got over here this trip and saw that garden. I was amazed. I'll get over there here in just a second. But it doesn't look like it's growing that much grass, but honestly down there as you're cutting, it's pretty thick in a lot of spots. So it does look like there's some bahia growing, and I never planted that, but I do plan on planting some bahia, and then as it cools off, I'll plant some perennial rye grass. So let's see if my skills are good enough to get me into here without hitting a few of the trees. Oh, or power lines that I have right there. Or make y'all seasick. Whoa. All right. I'm still rusty with these controls. You know, so there's still no pecans starting to show their face, which is, it's kind of sad. Maybe it just takes more time, I don't know. But here's some corn. I'm about to hit that trellis. Let me go up a little bit. Anyway, the sweet corn, yeah, it looks great. Look at that. You can see the silk on those ears. My driving skills are worrying me, or my flying skills. But yeah, the corn to me looks pretty good. See if I can zoom in a little bit here. There you go. You can see the drones blowing the leaves around, or the blades. But it looks good. I'm happy. It's about 4 or 5 foot tall or so, roughly. So I don't think that's too bad. And then over here, of course, to the right of the screen, kind of the yellowing stuff, that's all pumpkin. I'm not sure why it's yellowing just yet, but whoa. I don't see any pumpkins growing. Lots of flowers, but no pumpkins. I was thinking of cutting some of it back because it's, of course, growing wild. And then, I'm not sure, I can't see it on my screen. I don't know if it shows up on the computer or not, or whatever y'all are viewing it on, but the, yeah, I could see just to the right, there's some cucumber, but right in front of me is zucchini. Some of these zucchini are probably overgrown. I think I do see one right there. It is massive, massive. So, whoa. Okay, I'm getting too close, this says. Yeah, but anyway, there's some zucchini in there, trust me, if it doesn't show up. But it's growing. It's growing big time. Whoops, I'm level with the corn right now. And then you can see some cucumber right there. Whoops. I need to put this on slow speed. Whoa. All right. Sorry about that. Don't mean to be so shaky. Anyway, there's some cucumber. It's the pickle cucumber type. And then I don't see the other cucumbers very much growing. And then there's some okra. Right around here is okra. And then going down a little more, I guess I should get up because I have a cage here. I have tomato plants, which they don't seem to be looking real good. Then I have some basil, cilantro, all that over here, which I ended up buying that one basil right there that's straight down pretty much.
Battery level is low.
So
The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
anyway, but that's the garden. And bingo, we've landed. Thank you very much, everybody.